Earlier this month, LVMH offered to buy Tiffany. But did investors know about talks between the luxury companies before they became public? Robert Frank has been investigating. Robert, it's good to see you.
Good morning, Becky. Sources telling CNBC that a top executive from LVMH met with Tiffany CEO Alessandro Bolliolo in New York on October 15th. That was 11 days before the talks became public. Sources say the meeting over lunch was friendly. LVMH presented its offer. Bolliolo said the board would begin the process of evaluating the bid. The stock that day closed at $91, so LVMH's offer of $120 a share represented a 31% premium. But news of the talks didn't break for another 11 days on October 26th. But in the intervening time period, the stock jumped nearly 10%, which, of course, reduced the perceived premium to investors. Tiffany shareholders still expecting LVMH to raise that bid. Tiffany said the companies, quote, are not in discussions, but the board is carefully reviewing the proposal and is successfully executing its business plan. No comment from LVMH on whether they will raise their bid. Sources close to LVMH saying Tiffany needs substantial capital and time to turn around its business, which LVMH is better equipped to fund. Investors already dialing down their hopes for a competing bid or maybe a higher offer. Tiffany closing at about $125 yesterday after hitting that top of $130 on Monday. So it's a question of who needs it more. LVMH stock up over 40% over the past year. Tiffany stock basically flat over 4 or 5 years.
But the idea that it was up $10 over that course of
meaning
time.
that kind of it had that spike and it got into the market and there was heavy volume in options trading, so it kind of implies that some people had a sense that something was happening because there's no other.
We should see an enforcement action in the next couple.
Well, I don't know about that. It just means that the original premium was bigger than people suspected as. Okay. And again, LVMH.
But then if you look at the price a year ago, or actually going back to July of last year.
They had one great quarter. They had a great quarter with same-store sales growth. Now it's declining.